this shit done, don't be giving out tea.
Hey loves, as you guys can see by the title, this was supposed to be a nail vlog, but most of my footage was corrupted. So I decided to go ahead and post some of the footage that I have. Right here, I'm going to show you guys how my nails look up close, because as I am vlogging the files that were saved, it's really dark. You can't really see the nails in full detail. So I want to go ahead and give you guys a close-up so you guys can see the nails, so you can see the real true effect and how they look up close and personal. So I am going to walk you guys through some of the footage that I do have. So yeah, that's that. So some of my nails are designed with this like mermaid type of style nail. As you can see, it looks like green and then like crystal clear, little hints of orange and like light purple and light pink. But you can see majority of it's like a greenish blue mermaid type of vibe. That's what they call them, with the stiletto nails and everything like that on my hand. Now, when it comes to Kalia nails, I didn't vlog her nails because she got sort of like the same thing she got last time. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, it'll be linked down below. She got white nails last time with the money on it, with her middle initials and pixie and Swarovski crystals as well. So this is some of the footage that I was able to get. And like I said, it's very dark, but I'm going to still walk you guys through this process. Now, you guys know, if you are new to my channel, if you don't know, I do not use any dipping powder. I only use colored acrylic. This is what this is. It is like a 3D type of glitter, and it's silver. What she does is she puts that acrylic on first, and then she goes over it with the regular acrylic. And that is why it is called colored acrylic. Okay, as you guys can see, this time around, I went with more of the stiletto shaped nails, because you guys know I usually wear my nails super long and I get the like ballerina shaped nails or the coffin. This time I wanted to do the stiletto. I haven't had stiletto in like, ooh, it's been a minute. It's been a couple of years. So I wanted to switch it up because I feel like what I wanted to get on my nails this time will look better with the stiletto nails, and I was absolutely right. So you guys can see, she's basically just putting the acrylic on it. A lot of you guys always ask me who comes up with the design. How do I know what to get? I always get my nails different on each finger, except like maybe my thumbs are usually the same, and most of the time they're not the same. In this particular set, they are. Usually they're not. So as you guys can see, each nail is completely different. The reason she's using the glitter is because one of my nails, you're going to see the full glitter. And on the other nails, as you guys saw previously, it's going to have like the AB 3D Swarovski crystals. And so I wanted to have that glitter undertone under it so you can see the clearness through the Swarovski crystals. You guys can see this is what she's using for the nails that look, you know, mermaidish. I don't even know if that's a word, but they call it like the mermaid nails. So basically what she does here is she puts a clear coat of acrylic down first. You guys can see that's what she's doing. And she basically just picks up the little pieces of like little crystal gems and like the little foil and all the little different effects. Some of them are kind of like octagon shaped. All of them are different shapes, different textures. Before she puts the acrylic on top, it's basically like sticking out. You guys can't see it. That's why I said I wanted to show you guys up close how the nails looked. As you guys can see, from this angle, you can't really tell how gorgeous the nails are. That's why I wanted to show you guys. So she's just going to continue to do that. And this is very time consuming. This set is, because I did get a lot of stuff because I just always get a lot of stuff on my nails. And if it is your first time on my channel, I've been getting nails since I was like 13, 14. I'm 33 years old today. And if I don't get my nails done, I feel completely naked without them. It's like I can't even function without my nails. So I do everything you do, sweetie. Everything. Wipe my ass, cook food, clean, work. I can do everything you can do. So she's done with that nail. As you guys can see, yes, you guys, this is what I love. These are the Swarovski crystals. These are in gold. They're in silver. You can get them in AB. All the stones that I have on my nails today are the AB Swarovski crystal nails. This particular nail has a lot of Swarovski crystals on it. It has like the 4D, the 3D. And like I said, these are the AB stones. So when you're turning them in the lighting, even in the dark, you can still see how shiny and beautiful they are. Usually I do gold Swarovski crystals if I'm going with more of like a gold type of theme. You guys have seen before. If you haven't seen my last set of nails, like I said, when we did the vlog, me and my daughter, going to the nails with her white nails with the money and mine's, a completely different set with my ballerina nails. I will have that vlog linked down below. Definitely go show that vlog some love. Also, I've been trying to vlog lately, so I will link 2 more vlogs down below. Me and the family, we went to go bowling. We had a whole family night out at Shenanigans, and me and Khalil went and got our feet done and stuff like that. So that vlog will be linked down below. You guys know I'm not a vlogger, but your girl is trying here. So thumbs up for more. So as you guys can see, Julie is very, very detailed in everything she does. She takes her time. She never rushes you because she definitely takes pride in her work. I do go to the nail salon, which is all the way in Dallas. I will have their information linked down below. Definitely tell them that your girl sent you. Definitely make sure you let the owner do your nails, because that's who do my nails. There are other girls in there that do nails, you guys, but I just prefer the owner because I feel like she's the best. That's just my opinion because I've seen all her work. So she's just going to continue to put the jewels and the Swarovski crystals on it. And it's going to be so gorgeous, as you guys already saw. Okay, so now as you guys can see, like I said, my hands are ashy as hell. I washed my hands before she started, and I didn't have time to put lotion on. So girl, look, let's just move along. So as you guys can see in this angle, you can really see the colors pop with the acrylic on top. And you can see the 3D jewels, the AB stones, the Swarovski crystals, and everything is just so freaking gorgeous. Okay? So, moving right along, this next nail is very, very detailed. You guys always ask me, do I pick out my nails, my nail design, my color? I do all of that. I come up with this just by looking at different pictures, getting inspirations, and I always tweak it. Or if I just think of something in my head of what I want, I can tell her, you guys, and she does it. So this nail is very, very detailed. It's going to have pixies on it, little jewels. Right here is a really big piece of AB Swarovski crystals. None of them never fall off, you guys, just in case you guys are like, oh my God, I wonder, do they fall off? No, they don't. Like I said, she's very, very detailed and making sure you're good until the next time you go get your nails done. I usually get my nails done every 3 weeks. But this time I'm going to get it done probably more than I usually do because my birthday is in April. So, of course, I got to have my birthday nails slaying to the gods. But I wanted to do something different than I usually do. I've never had a design like this before. I absolutely love it. I do recommend it. You guys are always asking me how much my nails are. You guys, you have to go into the shop and ask them, you know, depending on what you get. Every set that I get is never the same price because each nail is different. Each design is different. So that definitely has a lot to do with the pricing of the nails. And as you guys can see, she's a bad bitch. She know what she be doing, and that's why she's the owner, and that's why she is the only one that do my nails. But like I said, there are plenty of girls in the salon who are bad bitches as well. I just prefer to go to Julie because I just love the way she takes her time and do my nails. So yeah, that's that nail. So gorgeous. As you guys can see, this is a continuance of her putting the little pixies on here. Very, very detailed, you guys. I know it may seem like a lot for a lot of you guys. You know, to each his own. This is just how I like to wear my nails and get my nails. If you like to get short nails, good for you. If you like to get long nails longer than me, good for you. This is just what I like, okay? Yeah, so if you all live in the Dallas area, go check them out. If you're visiting Dallas anytime soon, go check them out. I live 45 to an hour away from Dallas, and I definitely drive every time to get my nails done because it's definitely worth it. I will say when you guys go in, definitely ask for the owner. I do recommend you guys calling to set an appointment. Everything is VIP. So once you walk in, you're ready to go ahead and get your nails done. They're always packed, you guys, because they are, to me, in my opinion, the baddest nail salon in the DFW. And your girl said that, okay? That is why I always VIP me and Kalia. And we're in there maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours top, me and Kalia. She's very detailed, but she works very quickly. That's what I definitely love about Julie, okay? So, like I said, there will be more nail vlogs coming. If you guys are enjoying them, definitely let me know. And if this video get 1,000 likes, I'll make it so easy for you guys. 1,000 likes in 3 weeks, I would definitely go and show you guys what I'm getting and do a vlog on the nails. If you guys are liking the nail vlogs. Like I said, the files got corrupted. I'm so sorry. I don't know why it was saying that I could not edit the footage, but I had so much footage. And like I said, I'm so sorry, you guys, but I did want to add these clips in, and she's almost done. And this is pretty much the end of the vlog. I did not vlog Kalia nails because, like I said, she pretty much got the same thing. She just went with more of a pinkish, nudish color. And she did the money, of course, with her middle initials on her nails as well. As you guys can see, she did add on her pinky finger the pixie with the AB silver stones and pink Swarovski crystals. And she did it on her index finger as well. So none of her nails are the same, just like mine's. Maybe her thumbs are. I didn't even pay attention. But as you guys can see, last time I think she had like $100 bill or something. And this time she has like ones. So that was the theme she wanted to go for. I absolutely love Kalia nails. I think they're super cute. Along with my nails, of course. So this is just Kalia showing you guys her nails. And she has like the foil in the background of her nails as well to make the money kind of pop on her nails, which is really cute. So that's Kalia nails. Moving on to my nails, of course, like I said, these is what? I'm not going to edit that out. This is how my nails look up close and personal, you guys. Very detailed, very long, just like I like them. I love my nails. Like I said, go check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat fam, y'all know I fucks with y'all. Y'all saw it first. So you guys definitely follow me on Snapchat. Definitely follow me on Instagram to get more, you know, up close and personal pictures of me and of my nails and things like that. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, thumbs up for more. And until my next video, you guys, I love you guys so, so much. Mwah.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile